Hello, little updates from the last episode. Been doing a little more on preparing the caddy ready for lifting the body. Got 4 chain hoists, 1 ton each. Bit overkill, but that's all I had. 1 on each corner. Then a bit of angle iron, 3mm. 2 on the back because you see lifting point is not quite in the middle, and I don't trust a single bolt. And at the front, 2 more. Bit of U section, again about 2 to 3mm thick. That goes on to bonnet mechanism mount, so that's 5/8 bolts, so pretty big. And again, that goes up to the big steel beam. So 1 person on each corner. It should be a doddle. Just got to do I think it's about 22 bolts along the body. Also in the meantime, put on a strut brace. I measured the door gap on Steve's 53 Coupe. Gap between the A pillar there and B pillar there is exactly 170mm. Mine was pretty much millimetre perfect. I think the passenger side was about 2mm short, but that can be sorted out. Biggest problem we found was the seals, where they were repaired for me about 28 years ago. Front end was never straight. I could never get it lined up. I found the reason why. That should be where the original seal ended. That's there, and the gap between there and there on Steve's is exactly 1060mm. Mine are about 1090, and as you can see, that's not exactly a right angle. So a whole lot juts out for pushing, obviously, the front of the front wings, bonnet, all up. So all that's got to be cut out. But it's got to be cut out anyway, because this profile here is completely wrong. It doesn't match up the rear wings or the front wings. So all that's going to be cut out, reshaped correctly. So that's the job. There's a couple of other repairs got to be done. I think I've got a hole in the bottom of the floor, in the corner, up under the rear axle arch, and a few other minor bits, but that's pretty much most of it. So hopefully, if Steve's around tomorrow, he's had the probably every one of the 4 bugs that have been going around this winter. So that's why I'm about 3 or 4 weeks behind that, and the absolute crap weather we had last week, the week before, and the week before that. So hopefully tomorrow we will be going for the big lift. So tune in next time.